Hi, everybody. So we're going to have a little fun activity. We've been working with the first quadrant in the previous chapter, and I thought for the holidays, let's work with some Frozen characters. So let's work with Sven. So if you chose this one, you wanted to work with Sven. You wanted to make sure you printed out the graph. For some reason, there was no graph for Sven. So it's the same graph for any of the other characters. So just click on Olaf or Elsa or Anna and just print the second page and you'll get the same graph. If you want to use your own graph paper, that's fine. Just make sure you have your X and your Y axis. And your X axis is going from 1 to 35. And your Y axis is going from 1 to 45. And don't forget your zeros at the corner. Okay? So we're going to coordinate graphing with our first quadrant. Here's all our directions for Sven, and here's all our ordered pairs. We need to remember that your ordered pairs are always going to be in parentheses, and you're always dealing with X, comma, Y. X, if this is dealing with only the first quadrant, X is always going to the right, and Y is always going up. So you go right first, and then you go up. So I see a lot of ordered pairs here. What I also see is a lot of start and stops. And all the start and stops mean is that you're connecting. Okay, you're connecting those ordered pairs. So you're connecting from this ordered pair to this ordered pair in that order. So you need to connect from here to here. Then you connect from this plot to this point. Then from this ordered pair to this ordered pair, all so forth. Then when you get here, you stop. Then you go to a brand new set. So you plot this coordinate and then connect from here to here. You do not connect from here to here. That's why the start stop is there. All right. So let's do a few and we'll do it together. You can pause at any time to make sure you're all there. I'm going to keep going up and down. I apologize if you don't see the x-axis on the bottom. I'll keep trying to remember to bring it down. The main goal is I need to make sure you see where I'm drawing up here. Okay, so the first one is 14, comma 22. So I'm going to go to 14, and I'm going to go up to 22. All right, let's make sure that's at 14. Yes, it is. So I'm going to check it off. I'm not going to cross it off entirely because just in case I need to go back to it. And then I have 14, comma 25. So that's here. And right away, you're going to take a straight edge. It doesn't have to be a ruler. I'm using a notepad, and I am connecting the two. Checking it off. Now 13, comma 26. So 13, comma 26. And now I'm making sure I'm connecting it to the last dot that I connected, that I wrote down. Now 10, comma 26. So 10, comma 26. And then I'm going to connect those dots. And this is all you do. Just keep connecting. Don't wait till the last minute to connect. And then 9, comma 25. All right, and then we connect. All right, let's check that off. Now 9, comma 20. And then I'm going to connect those together. All right, let's check that off. 10, comma 19 is here. Just make sure. 10, comma 19. All right. Oh, and then 12, comma 19. Connect. Oh, sorry. And then now it's the end of that. Okay, so that's all I'm going to connect because I'm done. It's at stop. I'm starting brand new again. So I'm going to 13, comma 21. So 13, comma 21. 13, comma 24. And now you're going to connect those two together because we're in that same section of connecting. 10, comma 24. So I'm going to connect those two. Okay. and now 10 comma 21. I'm going to connect those two. I think this is an I. It's funny, I think every single one of these started with the I. 13 comma 21. Where's 13? 13 comma 21. Oh, so if you notice, I already had 13 comma 21. So let's look. Here it started off with 13 comma 21 and we finished with 1321. That's okay. It's just telling you you need to connect it, and that's why it looks like a perfect rectangle. Okay, so it can have it where you stop where you started. All right, here that didn't happen. We started at 14 comma 22 and we ended at 12:19. All right, so let's do one more set. So we're going to be at 11 comma 24. Just don't want to make a mistake. 11 comma 24. Now it looks like it's directly on a line, and that's okay. Just remember where you left off. 11 comma 22. So that's here. So we're going to connect those two together. 24 and 22. Check it off, and then we're going to connect 1122, which is here, and 1322. So we're going to connect these two together. All right, so it is time consuming. Take your time. All right, there's no coloring yet. It looks like we stop there and we start up again. All right, have fun with this. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.